Hi, George here, and I've recently been doing a lot of research on AI, trying to find some tools that can be used with Photoshop Elements to make your Photoshop Elements work easier and better. And I came across this thing. Really has very little to do with Photoshop Elements, but it's just too cute not to show it to you. So I'll go ahead and we'll do that right now. And it's a tool that allows you to animate a cartoon drawing. Loads of fun. It's designed for doing things for kids and so forth, stuff like that. It's not very advanced, but it does a real fun job. Now you need to start off with a character, a cartoon character or drawing. So I went over onto Dolly and did an AI image of an astronaut penguin. And I got this thing, looks pretty nice. Now we need to have the character clean from the background. So I had to remove the background. And I did that here in Photoshop Elements. I just made a layer mask. I'll just right click and just enable that. There we go. Did a selection, made it a layer mask, put a white layer behind it, and then saved that out as a JPEG image, which is right here. And that's all I had to do here in Photoshop Elements for this tool. Let's now switch over and let me show you where this is. And it's right here. It's sketch.metademolab.com canvas. I'll put this link in the description. And let's work through the process. Notice you start off with an image of a character. It's designed for cartoons. And you need to have it kind of full face with arms and legs outstretched, that they're all separate like that. Pretty easy to do. We'll upload our photograph. And mine's right there. Choose open. Then click on next. And I'll choose agree to go ahead and try this out. Now it's going to go through, find the character. There we are. It has found that character. So it can be used to grab one character off of a sheet of two characters, for instance. So here's our one. Click on next. It goes through, finds the outline of the character, which is done. That's fine. You can come in and use the pencil or eraser tools to clean up that edge. They have some demos over here, left-hand side, on how to do that. Click next. And it then puts in a basic skeleton in here for how the character moves. I'm going to take these, I'm going to move these up just a little bit here so that I have the knees above the feet. I think that will look better. Kind of like that, maybe further out towards the sides. I think everything else is working out just fine. Click on next. And this happens sometimes with anything that you're doing online on any of these free things, is that it's possible that the servers are just jammed up with a lot of traffic. So I'll pause the video here. I'll try to get in a few minutes and we'll get back to that next stage. Okay, I loaded it again and there we go. There's that animation. There are lots of them in here. So if you click on a sample, it will then do that animation for you. And I just think this is just so amazingly cute and perfect if you want to do something for your kids, grandkids, whatever, to take one of their drawings and give the drawings some life by doing this real fun animation. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit limited. We can't create our own animation, but we can come in and use their animations. They have quite a few of these. Let's try this one here. There we go. Scroll down, lots and lots of different animations in here that you can apply to these. Let's try this hopping one right there, and it's very fast once you have everything set up. There you go, kind of weird and wacky. There's a basic walking animation. So there it is. Like I said, just too cute not to show you this one. Again, not really related to Photoshop Elements, although I did use it for a couple of the steps in here just to get our drawing ready for this. But I can see lots of uses in here for using this for kids. Now, you want to be able to share this. A couple ways of doing that. One, click on share right here. You can choose where to share this: Outlook, Mail, WhatsApp, lots of places, or close it down and click outside. Click on this button right here. This opens this up full screen. And then simply right click and save video as right there. And save it on your computer. Then you can share it any way you want to. And hit escape to get back out of that again. These all have different names, so I can save this as a separate animation. Right click, same thing. Save video as. It just tells you what it's doing in here on the name. Choose save, and there we go. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I'll see you next time.